Red Teaming 101 Part 2. In this video we're doing active from HackTheBox. So it's Windows easy Windows back, and which is cool. And then let's just jump in. So we have IP addresses, just need to be hack the machine, grab user and root flag, and that's all. So I'm gonna go here, mmap. Let's start with mmap. So just for giving IP addresses. And then it's creative ports open here, so it's look like to be Active Directory box, which is here. We have the ports on SMB or another something like that. So we did it before, have to know enumerate SMB, and then have to be used it then SMB enumeration GG we found from to be OXDF. And you can actually use it here, have to use it netexec and for enumeration SMB. So let's use it here SMB again, nxz SMB, and let's give IP addresses. And then it will be giving us here domain name and domain, and how we can actually use it here for added or etc and host file. Is there something wrong? Okay, so we are get it. So we are just get it here. The name is DC and the domain is active.htp. So let's add this on or etc and host file. So we got it here. It's DC and active.htp, and we saw here from nxz. So when there's we can also do here with netexec to -u and then -p. Give it here. There's no, we have yet any others usernames and password yet, so we can directly try. If we have here the guest access the here SMB share, then yes, we have guest access on SMB, then we can actually looking for to be shares which one we can readable. So it's gonna be say is permission is read for reapplication. And now let's actually use it here SMB map or SMB client to access it. So I'm gonna use it here SMB client and -l. Again, you can actually give it here the DC, and then you will be see here there's a reapplication and the shares we can actually connect. Let's give it here on reapplications, and then let's actually get SMB shell on active.htp. We found directory, and let's access ls, and there's something on scripts maybe. There's like nothing here yet, and we can check polish if there's something different. Less. All right, so we are getting here something. There's look like it's same change here, but let's actually access here, right? So gonna give here the tab, and then it will be completed that all, and we are getting here something actually. So there's we found here gpt-ini file group polish and machine or the user here. Let's look for the machine first. Maybe we will find here something different. And ls, so we are getting here registry polish. So what is it? Have actually registry polish. So it's preferences. Let's check. And ls, we are getting here groups directory. I think we are getting here and then let's check. So if there's something on groups, and we are getting here groups.xml. When we get it here groups.xml with get command, and then let's actually get it here and exit. And we have just here get group.xml. So I'm gonna be using here cat for to be typed it. So we are get some the action properties, new name nothing, full name is nothing, description, and the password is we are getting here on something different is over here, right? So if there's new group polish, so it's we call it here new group polish password, so you can check. We are getting here they have to configure the Active Directory polish and password policies and how it actually work. So it means we can create it. There's an XML file or gonna be shared with config data, including any password associated with GPP for secure the Microsoft IaaS encrypt password before, right? So gonna be go here the GPP password. You can check here GPP password and how it's actually cracked and how it's actually work. So that's all. Just need to be go here. There's already gpp-decyrpt on the Kali Linux. That to be just give it here new group XML file, and which is new group policies. Now you will be giving here the password from it. So we are getting here from on where is it? Replication get group XML file, and then just crack it, and then we all know it's GPP still standing strong 2K18 over here. So then I think we can try this directly for some users, and we are getting here there's no users yet. We have on groups XML, or I just don't show it yet. There's another, yeah, there's we have the username we get is an active.htb and services tgt says it's the domain name, and then it's the username we can use. So let's just add it here as a password, and this one is the username. So we can actually use it here nxz smb, and for the username is we can use services tgc, and then for the password, and then let's use it here directly, and then our password which one we found on the XML file. So it's look like it's actually work. Then let's check it here, shares directly. So which shares we can access to maybe we can go here or another SMB shares or something like that. Looking at the ports, there's no Kerberoas, it's bad. Yeah, there's no Kerberoas, right? Okay, the WinRM maybe we can use, but we have the right now read on users, then which is cool. And I think we can also use it for to be grabbing here the users file. An SMB client, for example, we're gonna be use it here right now, but the users file we wanna be go, and then with username services tgc, and with the password which one we found before. Alright, so we are in and got here to be home page like on the WinRM or something like that. So let's try to be go services tgc, maybe we can find something different. ls, and there's a desktop documents or another things, but we are getting here user.txt. So which one we actually talk about the first video, there's yeah, the Kerberoas thing and srap things. You have to be always try srap and Kerberoas thing. You are doing here that have to use it, users can use to be someone's can Kerberoasable, and then some others has to be srap pros, right? So then you can check it them all with impact tool. So for example, if you have users username password, then you can go get users SPNs, and if you have users list, then go get MP users. So that's which one I can say for the Kerberoas tool in srap accounts. And you know we have already username and password is over here. So then let's use it here in packet get users SPNs, in packet get users SPNs, which actually I didn't use. Request, we will do here same thing, but you can also check here --help, and I'm looking for the flag. Then again we have to be give DCIP, and here their output file if you want to be do here users file or request or something like that. So first of all, we have to be give in packets get users SBNs. So let's give it here, we want to be requested here hash dash dc dash ip 10 10 10 100, and then just need to be give it here again in packet get users SBNs dash dash help, and how to use it. You have to be give domain name, username, and password. So let's give it active.htp for domain and services, tgs for the username, and you can also give it here the password, or you can give it here password later. And for example, let's give it, so it's gonna be asking here the password. Okay, so let's give it here the password. Gonna be checked for us if it's something different. So we are get here to hash actually from to it's to on administrator. So we are grabbing here administrator hash on with just to in packet get users SBNs. So let's add on hash and a cat hash. So we have to create crack it we learned before. You just need to be go here hash cat example, and then there's hash mode, hash name, and example here. So let's give it here, and it's Kerberoas e-type and tgc wrap. The flag is this one. So let's crack it like this, but you just need to be cracked and change it here. The flag for m and for which one is hash mode you have. So here. So then after its time, it's gonna be create crack here to be administrator password, or you can also use here John the Reaper for crack it. It's need to be a bit faster, but it's already crack, and we got it here Ticketmaster, right? So can go here. It's from Ticketmaster. It will win RM dash I. Maybe there is no win RM. So let's check here with this password, and then let's check for username administrator. And it says status login failure. It's because administrator okay, so it's punted, and we have right now to admin shell from active machine, and you can just go here with SMB client or VMI exec or PC exec or and others. So there's also want to be show you important things is really important. PC exec, VMI exec, or any others just for admins. So if you have the password for another user, so you can just use for to administrator. Okay, so in packet PC exec or to VMI exec or assembly exec, if you want to be used, it's just for the administrator. Okay, so it's really important. Administrator 10 10 10 giving here, and with this password, and you will get here administrator shell, and with in packet PC exec. That's really important. Okay, it's just for administrator. For example, you cannot use it for or first use us. Now we have here as the admin shell is like that. So that's for all. Thanks for watching.